Sri Indira Ganeshan Institute of Medical Science Annual Report 2019-2020. Governing Council members are Sri T. Ganeshan, Chairman, Engineer Rajashekharan, Secretary, Dr. G. Balakrishnan, Director and Head of the institutions. Indira Ganeshan College of Nursing have BSc Nursing degree and ANM. Clinical tie-up with Frontline Hospital, Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Government General Hospital, Trichy, General Hospital, Srirangam and Ramakrishna Nursing Home. Community tie-up with Inam Kulatur Upgraded Primary Health Center and Edamalapatti Puttur Wellness Center with adequate lab facilities. Academic achievements. Ms. Kartika, BSc Nursing third year, has secured 78% and distinction in all subjects of the university examination August 2019. Mr. Keethi, lecturer, attended Leadership, Excellence and Professionalism workshop conducted by the Tamil Nadu Nursing Council. Mrs. Amarda, assistant professor, and Ms. Bharati, lecturer, had participated as a resource person in national level seminar at Shastra University. Health education curricular activities. Health education about prevention of anemia conducted on 7th May 2019. International Nurses Day celebrated at Inamkulattur PHC on 12th May 2019 by donating tree saplings. Health education on antenatal diet conducted on 14th May at Somersampete Primary Health Center. A day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking was observed with a rally on 26th June 2019. Prevention and Control of Leprosy program and survey was observed from 4th June to 10th June 2019. A community visit to Slaughterhouse Sewage Plant and Water Purification Center was conducted. World Breastfeeding Awareness Week was celebrated by conducting rally and health education at Ramachandra Nagar and General Hospital Srirangam respectively. World Mental Health Day was observed by conducting pencil drawing on suicide prevention at 10th October 2019. Guest lecture on healthy lifestyle through Ayush conducted on 7th November. Kidney transplant awareness rally conducted on 28th November from Frontline Hospital, Trichy. Indian's Pulse Polio program was conducted with initial workshop and administration of polio drops in the Primary Health Center as well as doorstep at Edamalapatti Puttur and Nagamangalam on 19th January 2020. World Cancer Day conducted with role play and Villupattu on 6th February at General Hospital, Trichy. Prevention of coronavirus transmission awareness conducted by role play on 24th February, General Hospital, Srirangam. Co-curricular activities. Tree plantation was conducted on 26th July 2019 at college premises. International Day for Protecting Girl Child conducted 22nd October at Kalairangam, Trichy. Dengue prevention camp was conducted at IG Medical Science campus by distributing Nilavembu Kasayam on 1st November. Medical camp was conducted along with Frontline Hospital on 3rd November. Food Expo 2019 was conducted in the title of Healthy Food and Healthy Life along with the Indian Overseas Bank on 21st December 2019. Road Safety Awareness Rally was conducted on 27th Jan 2020. Extracurricular activities. Hostel Day celebrated by lighting Kartike Deepam on 19th December 2019. Freshers Day for ANM and BSc on 4th and 5th December 2019. Rangoli competition was conducted along with the Pongal celebration on 12th January 2020. Entrepreneurship activity was conducted by selling Bida on 24th January 2020. Our ANM and HI students won overall trophy in inter-college cultural competition conducted at Annai Group of Institution, Kumbakonam on 9th February 2020. Professional activities. Dr. Kripa, principal, attended Nightingale Challenge campaign organized on 6th December. Lamp lighting ceremony 2020 celebrated for third batch of BSc Nursing and ANM students by passing the light was inaugurated by Dr. M. Tamilchelvi and Matron Vijaya. The novice nurses had taken Nightingale pledge. The Nurse and Midwife Year 2020 was celebrated by releasing the sticker I Support Nursing Now at college premises and Toll Plaza Budakudi on 29th and 31st January 2020.
Sri Indira Ganeshan Institute of Medical Science, College of Physiotherapy and School of Allied Health Science. Curricular activities. A step towards free treatment for the patients was fulfilled in physiotherapy outpatient inauguration on 4th September 2019. The MENTA system was introduced to grasp the curricular and co-curricular activities of the students. A seminar was presented on World Arthritis Day on 12th October. Our students participated in the conference conducted by SVCOPT Pondicherry on 17th and 18th October. Participation of the students in Siddha exhibition. Our students went for a visit to develop their practical knowledge and clinical knowledge in Harshamitra Super Speciality Hospital, Velan Speciality Hospital, Frontline Hospital, Ramakrishna Hospital and CSI Hospital. Our beloved Director Sir provided instruction for the international conference held on Kanyakumari. Parent-teacher meeting was conducted on 23rd December. Our institution first magazine was released by our department on 10th January 2020. First state level conference for physiotherapy students was held on 24th January 2020. Students from various colleges participated to enrich their theoretical and practical knowledge. It was a memorable collection of various scientific sessions. The proceedings of the conference, Health Promotion for 2020, was published as a book with ISBN registration. First state level conference for Allied Health Science was held on 7th and 8th February 2020. Students from various districts participated to grasp the knowledge from the doctors. The session covered with a credit point of 20 by TNMGRMU. Medical camp was conducted in Kallikudi as a century celebration of Red Cross Society. Nearly 100 patients got benefited by the treatment. Co-curricular activities. Our students actively participated in NCC camp. Our institution conducted an event to cherish the career guidance for students through Vetri Nichayam program. The Face the Future program was conducted on 13th October. Smart Girl workshop was held on 10th October. Considering girl safety in the society, our institution along with Trichy Police conducted an awareness program about the Kavalan app. Arrangement was done in our college campus to facilitate the students to view the solar eclipse. Medical camp was conducted on 29th October 2019 at Kalayarangam, Trichy. An awareness program regarding cleanliness organized by Swachh Bharat team on 31st January 2020. Vegetable carving competition was conducted on 5th November 2019 to illustrate the importance of nutritional composition about the vegetables. They carved many designs like bugs, lotus and roses. Our students actively participated in the sports activities that was conducted on 26th and 27th February. Issue of magazine to the students during Pongal celebration on 12th January. Our student Nanmaran of BSc Cardiac Technology won second place in chess tournament held at Salem. Indira Ganeshan Institute of Medical Science, College of Pharmacy. Soil Day celebrated on 5th December. Pongal celebration was conducted in our campus on 12th January. Our respected chairman, Madam Chairman, Director participated in the celebration. Motivational feedback given by the principal regarding conference SIGIMS 2020. Parent-teacher meeting was conducted on 25th January. 71st Republic Day celebration was organized on 26th January 2020. Students actively participated in various events. Dr. Lakshmi Prabha OG was our chief guest. National Voters Day pledge was done on 27 January 2020. Establishment of Medicinal Garden on 13th February. Sports Day conducted on 29th February. Sri Indira Ganeshan Institute of Medical Science, Multipurpose Health Worker Male. The orientation program was conducted on July 2019. Organ donation marathon was conducted in Pudukkottai district on 17th August. World Hepatitis Day rally was conducted on 27th July at Ramachandra Nagar. IG Health Club, organized in the Department of HI, carried over road safety awareness and other health awareness. My IG sanitation, fogging was done to prevent the mosquito breeding at IG premises on 18th March. Anti-larval work in our campus. NSS cleaning was done at Kalayarangam on 23rd December. Akkaraipatti Sai Baba Temple fairs and festival arrangements was done. Dengue prevention exhibition done on 16th December. Students participated in disaster management program on 5th November. NMS Nagarajan guest lecture about duties and responsibilities of HI on 21st June. City Health Officer orientation about the role and responsibility of HI towards sanitation on 24th January. Orientation checkup in field on 18th July. Nilavembu Kashayam distribution on 8th July. Vidivelli special school visit was done on 5th July. School visit on 28th August. Hotel sanitation was done on 10th September 2019 at Manaparai. ACP Mailvaganam participated in Swachh Bharat on 13th July with our HI trainees. Students visited Cremation Center on 30th August. Adolescent Friendly Health Clinic, Inam Kulatur, visited on 5th September. Guest lecture on promotion of mental health among adolescents conducted along with Department of Social Work Bharatidasan University on 19th October. Successful completion of field training and gathering on 17th July. Farewell for first outgoing HI on 5th November 2019. Blood donation camp was conducted and the students donated blood on 10th January. Drawing competition was conducted under NSS on 10th September 2019. Legal awareness program held in our campus on 25th November. Bike rally conducted to celebrate century year of Red Cross Society on 21st February 2020. De-addiction awareness camp was conducted on 8th July. Thank you.